Hello everyone, I'm starting today with a very big smile. Just thinking of today's recipe brings so much pleasant memories to me. Egbo and beans with pepper sauce is my memory crush for today. So let me show you how to make this recipe. Get your peeled, dried, crushed white corn, beans, palm oil, smoked fish, momo, dried prawns, boiled egg, blended crayfish, rodo, onions, tatashe, bouillon cubes, and salt. Now it's time to cook. Start with your corn in a pot with enough water. Add salt. Once it comes to a boil, rinse and pour in your corn. Remember, it's dried, so you need to cook till it becomes very soft. You can soak the corn overnight or use a pressure cooker for a faster cooking time. Over to the beans. This two combo is so delicious, but understand the process, no rushing. Boil your water, rinse, add a bit of salt also, and cook your beans. Remember, you can also use pressure cooker or soak it ahead of time. Don't be discouraged cooking this deliciousness. Just relax and enjoy the waiting time. While both are boiling and doing great, let's make the sauce. Clean all your protein in your hot pot. Add your palm oil. Don't bleach your oil. Once it gets hot, add your bouillon cubes and pour in your chopped pepper mix. Then add your grounded crayfish. Mix it all together and add your momo, dried fish, dried prawns. Mix it and add a bit of water. You can also use stock to loosen the sauce. Allow the sauce to fry very well. Check on your corn and beans. Make sure they are very soft. We are almost there, so let it keep boiling. As you can see, the sauce is looking good. Now you can add the smoked fish and egg, and it's ready. And the final check on the corn and beans. Yes, this is what it should look like. No more water, yet soft and a bit of crunch. The beans is also cooked. I present to you Egbo and Beans with pepper sauce. Two combo on one plate. Time to serve. So yummy. It's worth all the wait. Really good. This is indeed a plate filled with so much memories and love. Do recreate yours. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Thank you.